In this video, I'll show you how you can add an overlay in CapCut. So this can be your screen recording with an overlay of your webcam. So what you need to do is first import both of the clips in CapCut. So click import and then find them. So here are both of my clips. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the first one onto CapCut, and then you can go ahead and drag the second one and you can put it onto CapCut also. Now you're looking here to create a new layer. So make sure you drag them on at separate times, because you obviously need one clip on top of the other. Now what I would do from here is I would highlight both of the clips, and you can right click and then sync the video to audio. Now because my clip isn't matching the video, this won't sync because they're two different files. Now what you need to do once you've got the video overlaid, you can click on it, you can then go to transform under the video and basic tab, and you can then bring this scale box down, and you can then move your webcam wherever it needs to be on the screen, and you've essentially now overlaid your webcam on a screen recording, and that is all you have to do.